Hey everybody, today we're going to go over how to set up your HostGator account if you're using HostGator to host your domain. And we're just going to show you how to set that up with your MailGun account. So first we're going to log into MailGun, we're going to click Messages, and we're going to click Domains. And now we're going to add a new domain, and this is going to be a subdomain of your domain in HostGator. So move on over to HostGator. You can copy the name of your domain back into MailGun, and what we like doing is doing replies dot the name of your domain. Now let's click add domain, and now it's going to bring you to a list of DNS records that you need to add to the domain in HostGator. So let's go on back to HostGator, and here we're going to click the cPanel found under the name of your domain. That's going to bring you to this page. Just let it load up. Now it's a bit different using GoDaddy. In HostGator, you have to actually create a subdomain as well, and I'll show you how to do that. So once you're here, you're going to scroll down to the domain section, and you are going to click on subdomains. Within the subdomains, you're going to type in the same subdomain that you used on MailGun. So just copy it over and paste it here and hit tab. It'll auto-populate the document root field. Click create. You'll get success, and now you click back over here. And now we're ready to add our DNS records to this subdomain. Cool, so here we're going to scroll down to domain section again, and you're going to click on Advanced Zone Editor. And here we're going to add our TXT records. So TXT, for the name, we're going to go back to MailGun, and we're going to copy this entire host name, paste it in there. When you hit tab, an extra period is going to come on after the .com, and that's totally fine. For TTL, you're going to put in 1. And for TXT data, we're going to go back to MailGun, and we're going to copy this value and paste it here and click add record. Now we're going to add the second TXT record, so TXT again. For the name, we're going to go back to MailGun. We're going to copy this guy. In name, TTL, we're going to put 1 again. And TXT data, we are going to enter this whole one here. So copy it and paste. Add record. So now we're actually going to skip the MX for now, and we're going to go straight to the CNAME. So type CNAME, name is going to be this entire one here. Paste it in here. TTL is 1 again. And for CNAME, we're going to put in this value here. Paste that there. Add record. Now for the 2 MX records, we're going to click back. So for the MX records, we're going to scroll down to the emails subsection here. And we're going to click MX entry. And now for domain, we're going to choose the subdomain that we just created, not the original domain. Once that's done, you're going to go down and scroll down to add new record. For the priority, we're going to put 10. And for the destination, we're going to go back to MailGun and get this one over here. As you can see, it's also priority 10. So just copy that, put that in there, add new record, added, and for the second MX record, we're going to put 10 priority again, go back here, copy the MXB one, bring it back here, destination paste, add new record. Those are both added. So we just added the 2 TXT records, the 1 CNAME record, and the 2 MX records. So you want to go back to MailGun and scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to click Verify DNS Settings once all 5 are added. And it'll bring you to this page, which is a good sign. To ensure that everything was done correctly, click on Settings, and now DNS Records, and you're going to see the green check marks next to all 5 records, and that's how you know it was done correctly. So this time around, actually, I only had to click Verify once. I've seen it before where you have to click Verify like 3-4 times before these all go green. So that's just a little tip. If it doesn't work the first time around, just click that Verify button 3-4 times, and that might fix it. So watch the next video to see how we're going to connect MailGun into